Hello everyone, and today we are going to be looking at how to use Google Earth to explore where you live. So the first thing I'm going to do is get to Google Earth. So I'm on a new tab here, and let's type in Google Earth. Click on Google Earth, and it's going to bring you to the splash page here, and you're just going to click Launch Google Earth. There's also a way to download Google Earth if you want to run it natively on your computer. I don't find it works as well, and it's usually a pretty big download. So hit Load Google Earth. If you have slow internet, it may take a while to load this up, but it's going to load the entire Earth here. So we'll see this spinning around. And what we are going to do is, like I said, look up where you live. So if I go over here to the left side, I'll see a bunch of options. One of them is this magnifying glass. It's the search field. So I click that, and I will type in where I currently live, which is Livingston, New Jersey. And it's going to load that up on our map. You'll see it zooming in here. And what I love about Google Earth is that it puts this red line around the boundary of the town you typed in, and it gives you a little information here. I could close this though by clicking that up arrow. Now this is important. On my map you can see there's no labels or anything, but yours may load with some. So what we have to do is open our menu here and go to map style. And there's going to be one of three options. Again, when you load Google Earth for the first time, it may load with everything, which will put roads, other labels in there, or it may load with exploration, which will just put a few labels. But I don't want to see anything except what I typed in, which is the town of Livingston. So I'm going to click the top one here, which is clean, and make sure you have that selected. And then you may have to retype in your search, or maybe not, I didn't here. So you can see this is Livingston. I could use my trackpad here to zoom in a little bit and kind of center it on the frame. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot of this. And the reason I'm going to do that is because we are going to use this map to actually label it in Activity 2. So I'm on a Mac here, so what I could do to screenshot is I could hit the Command, the Shift, and the number 3 at the same time to take a screenshot of my entire screen, which you would then have to crop later. Or what's really cool is you could hit Command Shift 4. And watch what happens to my mouse pointer here when I hit Command Shift 4. See how it turns into like this little, I'll move it up so you can see it more towards the top. It turns into this little icon. It actually shows you what pixel on the screen you are highlighting. So what we're going to do with that is I'm actually just going to move it on my map. And I'm going to, it doesn't have to be exactly perfect. I'm just going to draw a box that outlines the town of Livingston. And once I have that, it will make the camera sound and you are done. And it actually puts that screenshot right on your desktop so you can view later. So that is the end of Activity 1. After you've done all that, you could please proceed to Activity 2.